What are we doing today?
We are installing transmission.
What kind of transmission?
The same transmission you seen us pull out.
Yeah.
6 months ago.
If you didn't see that video, it's right there.
You sure it's not?
No,
there?
I'm pretty sure it's right there. But
rebuilt.
Rebuilt? We didn't rebuild it. We sent it off.
I don't know what's been done to it. Some things here and there.
It was $500 to rebuild it. And also in this video, we're going to install these shiny parts. UMI parts. Just to compare and contrast. Pulled that out of the car when we took it out. If you didn't watch that video again, there's the new stuff. Yep. There's a little difference.
Yep, so we realized on this car that he bought some new UMI control arms, but the ones in it are jerry boxed.
Yeah. If you can see that. Already cubed up. That's what I'd call it.
I already had a flat piece of steel welded in, just give it some structural integrity.
Yeah. So we're going to take you through the process.
We are.
Yeah.
I thought we were going to throw it in there and show when it's done.
I mean, sure.
Just show it in fast forward motion.
Fast forward motion. We on.
Alright, so Harbor Freight to the rescue again, right?
Yes, sir. They should just sponsor us by now.
Let's roll this puppy right on in here. Throw some bolts in it and we're good to go, right? That's all it takes.
Yeah. I'm sure.
It doesn't take any muscle or manpower or
no, I don't think it does.
anything like that. You just roll it in here and shabam.
Shabangy bang.
Jerry got her done.
Jerry's got a gun.
And a third Gen Camaro.
Okay.
Alright, well, on the next video, show us how we're supposed to lift this up in here and get the bolts in. Transmission jack, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we're on a 16-year-old's budget, and I don't throw enough transmissions in to go buy one, so.
I built one.
A jack?
No.
Okay, we need to turn that camera off since we're not filming anything.
Alright, built this transmission jack adapter in shop class. So if you need a welder, don't call me. But that's kind of how it's supposed to work. These are supposed to...
way. But yeah. No,
sure?
the...
Oh, well, yeah, this goes in
they
the...
won't put it on the jack.
Yeah, there we go.
So that slides down in that hole.
These go in there.
Like so.
And I made them a little slotted so you can just adjust them.
So the transmission don't slide off the jack only.
And we don't know if this works or not, so we're gonna...
You don't want the transmission sliding off the Jerry.
No. No, you don't. So we'll see if this works or not.
We'll bring you back when we got her all bolted.
Situated. Yeah, bolted. Alright, it's been a while since we gave you an update, but...
Camera problems.
Camera problems.
Camera wouldn't turn on.
Whoever built that, they suck.
It's a piece of junk.
Yeah, piece of junk. Made that little insert way too small, so...
Transmission fell right off of it.
Yeah, it did. But
I caught it though.
Yeah.
I caught it.
Mr. Incredible over here.
Threw it up in there.
Yep.
The bolts jumped right in and everything.
But look at the shiny parts we got in there now. It was pretty easy. I mean, it just all bolted together.
It only took all day.
Yep, all day.
When they don't put in the instructions how long it's going to take, it's going to take you all day.
Yeah. But we got a couple more stuff to do.
Couple more stuff?
Couple more stuff, yep.
Couple more things to put in. We got that torque arm to put in.
Torque arm.
Drive shaft.
Drive shaft.
Figure out the transmission cooler, why it still leaks.
Yeah.
As of last time we were running it.
But everything right now is buttoned up on the transmission. Just gonna put those few things in. And if you're watching this video thinking it's step by step on how to install this, feel bad for wasting your time, but we have no idea what we're doing.
All it does is it takes 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, and some common sense that we don't have. So we'll update you here in a little bit.
4 bolts and a rubber hammer.
And lots of tools.
Hand tools. That's all it takes. Just hand tools.
Yeah, alrighty. Don't know where we left off at.
Yeah, that's what we're going to start off with.
Alrighty, we don't know where we left off at, but this is how far along we are.
10,000 year project.
On the process, yeah, it's a couple months later. It's a little cold out, but transmission's in. Looks like we got some kind of mount dealio in.
So it looks like we need the bracketry for this.
Yeah, alrighty.
And then I think we just need to tighten all these up. I don't know if these are tight. Probably not.
Well, yep.
A couple of dummies putting in
Oh yeah.
aftermarket parts. I'll do that, huh?
Alrighty. Got the drive shaft right here. I don't know if we're gonna get to that today. Who knows? Alrighty. It's official. Transmission's in and everything. So there you go. That's the video. I'm not sure what your guys are gonna see, but we'll find out. Everything's in, except for the dipstick, but we're gonna buy a flexible one.
There's two dipsticks in here.
Yeah, there's one right there and one right there, right?
Two dipsticks working on it.
Well, I don't know what the next video of this will be, but maybe it'll be at the racetrack.
Oh, we're getting the stupid thing actually running.
First drive?
Yeah. The first
Alright.
drive that we did have was crap because the transmission was junk.
Yeah.
And it had all sorts of metal and loose bolts for some reason in the pan.
It happens.
Or whatever it was.
So,
I think it's a nightmare.
like and subscribe if you want to keep watching this, and racing season's coming.
Yeah, if you want to live our nightmare.
It's sunny outside. Doesn't mean it's warm, but it's sunny. So,
Another month and a half.
yep, another month and a half. Like, subscribe.
See ya.